Candidate number 1, Danny. Yeah. Candidate number 2, Miss Joyce Poblere.
Yung ganon.
And our last candidate of tonight, Miss Rose Ann Compañero Ebio. For our swimsuit wear, candidate number 1, Miss Daniela Villar. Joyce Poblere.
Naka-swimsuit yan ah.
Nakaswimsuit yan.
Uy, mahiya ang swimsuit.
Swimwear.
Kaya swimsuit yan.
Yan na kami. Candidate number 2, Miss Rose Ann.
Meron na po tayong palo.
And our last candidate, Miss Daniela Villar.
Nakaawa.
Swimsuit yan yan ah. Uy, ate, tama ka na kami dyan.
Ha?
Papalit na kami.
There we go, all the candidates. What am I gonna say? Special guest, Miss Larissa Camacho. Give it up for
Hindi, yung
Okay, para i-marcha, sabay-sabay natin tignan ang tatlong candidates ngayong gabi. So, candidates, come on.
Hindi ka pala ito. Hindi nag-practice. Kailangan ano?
And palakpakan naman para sa ating mga candidates. For our question and answer portion, mamaya po yan. But first of all, we would like to thank our sponsor, Miss Joy Gunyo, para sa kanyang iPad, Aisa Camayosa, sa kanyang camera. And of course, Elaine.
Escort, escort.
Palakpakan Elaine. Thank you very much.